We'll start. Good afternoon to all. Today we are entering to the final round of POGS quiz in connection with the World Earth Day. We have started the activities on April 22nd. We had the poster presentation competition. We had the quiz competition first round, and poster and quiz, the first rounds were so enthusiastically participated by many institutions, and it was really encouraging to see that the participation is to that extent, so that we will be able to hold similar programs in the future as well. And today the contestants are they participating for the first and second prize for this POGS, first and second prize for the quiz. And the terms and conditions and the proceedings of the quiz will be described by the quiz master. I welcome Dr. Jitendra Behra, the executive committee member of POGS, and who is also the quiz master. And we have Dr. Juhi, who will be noting down the scores. And they will be declaring the results after each round, and the final results will be declared after the end all the proceedings. And with this few words, I welcome you all and congratulate for your success during the first rounds of the quiz program, and welcome you to this final round. And I wish all of you the best luck, and be careful and participate actively, so that we will see who will lift the first and second prize for this event. And the prize is just a recognition, but I'm sure that all of you will do very well in this competition, and hope the quiz, this final round will go to the tiebreaker round as well. So best wishes. Over to Dr. Jitendra, the quiz master. Jitendra, please unmute.
Good afternoon, all. Anyway, in this pandemic era, since last 2 years, we are closed down. I mean, we are closed in a single room. And I must congratulate all the coordinators, all the participants. I think nearly some 200 participants, they have taken part in the preliminary rounds. Out of them, we have selected 12, total 14 participants. Each medical college, means each institution, 2 people, they are representing the final round. So I'm very much thankful to our POGS president, Dr. Kunjumuddin sir, that he has given us this opportunity to go ahead with the quiz. Really, it's a stress booster, as well as please take it as a fun, not like that. Don't be panic. Take your time, and we will be giving ample of time to answer the questions. It is just a general knowledge. It's nothing related to our medical background. So I hope everybody must answer calm and quiet. Okay. So before we start the quiz, I would like to each of you introduce yourself, and you should tell which college, which institution you are going to represent. Please. First, Amin, Almas Hospital.
Unmute yourself.
Please unmute.
Good afternoon, all. Myself, Amin Muhammad, representing Almas Hospital, Kottakkal.
Okay, next, Suji.
I am Sujisha, Craft Hospital.
Okay.
Another person from Craft Hospital.
And then
Anybody else from Craft Hospital?
Craft Hospital,
Yes.
PM is Perimbalmana.
Yeah.
Yes,
Craft
sir.
Hospital, Budnamalna.
Yeah. Please introduce.
I'm Mohammed Rashid. I'm from Craft Hospital.
Okay. Then Maulana.
Sir, I'm Renuka from Maulana Hospital.
Okay. Anybody else is coming? I think you are the alone from Maulana, right?
Yes, other person in night duty 6th day. I think she is in sleep.
ARMC.
Good afternoon, sir. Representing ARMC Aegis Hospital, my name is Annie John.
My name is Lindsay Dilda.
Thank you.
Aster means
Myself, Sri Lakshmi from Astam's Hospital, embryologist. Thank you.
okay. Anybody else from Aster means?
Good afternoon, Anisha from Astam's Cortical. Thank
Your
you.
video is not on. Anisha, please switch on your video. Okay.
Unmute.
Unmute. Okay. Fine. Please introduce.
Anisha from Astam's Cortical,
Okay.
HR executive.
Thank you. Welcome. MES.
Hello, sir. I'm Indu Shekhar, and this is Parashar, and we are representing MES Medical College.
Okay. Welcome you both.
Thank you.
Aswati. Somebody entered in the name of Aswati. Will you please introduce yourself?
I'm Dr. Ashwati. I'm not participating. I am the coordinator. I'm just.
Oh, okay, madam. Aswati, madam. Okay. Welcome, madam. Okay. Aster means cortical 1. Can you please switch on your video? Yeah. Okay. So first round we have 10 questions. So each questions will be having MCQ. So the moment when we display the question in the screen, you have to write the answer. Please take a pen and paper with you. Please be it inside. Okay. So first round will be 10 questions. Each questions will having a 4 MCQ. You only have to answer the right choice, whether it will be A, B, C, or D. Okay. And for example, like suppose correct answer is A, so you have to write in that piece of paper and show it like this. Okay. Even if everybody is answering correctly, we will give the mark to everybody. There is no like first or second. Okay. And if suppose somebody is not answering correctly, so they will be deducted by 5 marks. Suppose you have 0, we will deduct it as -5. So when we will answering properly next question, that suppose you are scoring next is 10, then that -5 will be adjusted from the next scoring mark. Okay. If you are not answering, okay, it will be 0. All of you got it? So shall we start?
Yes.
Just show your thumb if you all are okay.
All are okay?
Sir, is there need to raise hand, sir? Or else?
No, not now. Not now. We will tell you when to raise the hand. Okay. Only you have to write in the paper and write it like this and show it like this. Just see the question. We will give 30 seconds. Okay. We will give 30 seconds. So all of you able to see the screen? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So here is the first question of round 1. Your time starts now. Annie saw it properly?
Sir, cortical means
Yeah.
one. Can you see the?
Yeah, I'm just visualizing.
Did I want to tell the answer?
30 seconds over.
Now everyone show the answer.
Is it?
Sir, Maulana Hospital.
Okay, Amin Almaz is C.
Sir, Almas Hospital, Kottakkal.
Aster means Kottakkal. I am not able to see. Please show it properly. Kottakkal 1.
C.
Okay. Please write bigger.
C.
The house or has
Maulana Hospital C.
Next time, please write it bigger. Okay. Maulana 1. I am not able to see.
RMC is also.
Mims Kottakkal.
C.
Sir, ARMC
Answer is C.
option C.
Maulana 1.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yeah, I think some light is reflecting.
Light is reflecting. ARMC. Just tell your answer.
Aisheta.
You noted.
Front camera kita. The ganchu dukane.
Sir, is it visible?
Okay.
Annie, please tell your answer. Unmute and tell.
എങ്ങനെ കാണില്ല അത്ര
Ma'am, ARMC age is option number C.
Okay.
Mims Kottakkal.
EMS.
ഇത് കാണില്ല
MES.
ഹലോ സർ മൗലാന സി
Okay.
Staff.
എപ്പോ സി അടിച്ചതെന്നറിയാം
Staff, I am not able to
ഫസ്റ്റ്
Suji and
Option C, sir.
Okay.
okay.
So I think almost all of you has answered the correctly. So 10 marks awarded to each of you. Okay. So next question.
Time starts now.
What percentage of earth is covered by water?
70%.
Please don't tell the answer, just write it down.
earth is covered by water. Sir, question 1/3. Maulana 1/3. Option
Please
B.
don't tell the answer. When we will tell the time is over, then you tell.
Okay.
Okay. 30 seconds over.
30 seconds over. Okay. Answer means, what is your answer? Please show it.
Esther means
Okay. B.
okay.
MES, please show your answer. It's C.
Visible C.
Kraft Hospital.
B, sir.
Okay. Kraft Hospital. Kraft Hospital, what is your answer? B.
B, sir.
Okay. Almas.
I'm going for with C, sir.
EMS.
EMS nobody.
Sorry.
Aster means? Okay.
MES.
Almas also has answer.
MES.
MES also has answer.
What mean?
C.
Okay.
ARMC.
What is your answer?
Option C, sir.
C. Okay.
Maulana.
Option B, ma'am.
Maulana. I'm not able to see.
Option
Maulana.
B. Option B, ma'am.
Okay.
കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് പറയുന്നു.
Anyway, it is very sorry to say none of you have answered the correctly. It is answer A.
ഇതല്ല ആൻസർ കാണുന്നു.
So -5 deducting from everybody.
എല്ലാരും തെറ്റി.
So next question, on which day Earth Day is celebrated? I think almost everybody will answer this question.
Yes.
Okay. RMC, what is your answer?
Sir, option C.
Okay.
Esther.
Option C.
Almas.
Option C, madam.
Kraft.
Option C, sir.
MES.
Option C, ma'am.
Okay.
Maulana.
Option C, madam.
Okay. So thank you all. You have answered correctly. I think all of us will tell the right answer. That is answer C. Who is the founder of Earth Day? Nelson Mandela, Lord Nelson, Nelson Surratt, Rabindranath Tagore.
Option B. Option B. Gaylord Nelson. Option B.
Then only you answer.
You may be telling the wrong answer. So just write it down.
Okay, time over. ARMC.
On the birthday.
Ma'am, option B.
Okay. Esther.
Ma'am, option B.
Almas.
Madam, it's Gaylord Nelson, option B.
Kraft.
Ma'am, option B.
MES.
Ma'am, option B. Gaylord Nelson.
Maulana.
Option B, ma'am, Gaylord Nelson.
Okay.
Okay, so all of you have answered correctly. The correct answer is Gaylord Nelson. So next question. What disaster led to founding of Earth Day? An oil spill off the coast of California, missile gas tragedy in Bhopal, Hiroshima Nagasaki nuclear bomb blast, 26th November attack in Mumbai.
Please don't tell the answer once we will ask. That time only you have to answer.
You just show your this thing. Now not this. See your paper and like that.
ARMC. Please show the answer properly.
Is it visible, ma'am?
It is B, right?
A, ma'am, an oil spill off the coast of California.
Okay. Esther means
A, an oil spill of the coast of California.
okay. Almas.
Go for with option A, madam.
Kraft.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. MES.
Ma'am, option A.
Maulana.
Option A, an oil spill off the coast of the California.
Okay.
Okay, well done. All of you have answered correctly. So it is answer A, an oil spill of the coast of California. So we will next go to next question. What is the theme of Earth Day 2021?
Of Earth Day 2021.
Option C.
What is the theme of Earth Day?
Don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer.
Okay. Now Esther means please show your answer.
Option C. Option C.
Okay. ARMC.
Ma'am, option C.
Almas.
Going with option C, madam.
Ma'am, option D.
Kraft.
Ma'am, option C.
Maulana, option C. Restore our earth.
Okay. Who is saying option C? Some person has told option
D.
D. Sorry, somebody told D.
Option D. Astamim cortical.
Option C.
D. D. Option D.
No. Option C. Option C. Option C.
No.
Please, both of you decide one answer.
Sir, it is option C. Option C. Restore our earth.
No. Already somebody has told.
Esther
No,
means
first.
both of you please tell
It is
one
option
answer.
C. Restore our earth.
Okay. So,
But anyway, we can't give you the marks because already some of your representative has told the answer. That is D. but correct answer is answer C, restore our earth.
That is the disadvantage we told you if you are logging from other device.
So -5 will be deducted
From Esther Mills.
Aston Mills. Others will be awarded with 10 marks each.
Question കാണില്ലേ?
Next question.
Next question. The weather is the same as climate, true or false? Esther means please tell your answer. Esther means
It is false. B.
okay. Almas,
I think it's false, ma'am. I'm going for option B.
okay. Craft,
Ma'am, B.
MES, MES,
B.
false or true? True or false? MES.
False, madam. False.
Maulana,
False, madam. Option B.
ARMC,
Option B, ma'am, false.
okay.
So anyway, answer is correct. That is false. Okay. So how many years a plastic takes to decompose?
Yes, plastic take to decompose how many years?
Seconds over. Almas,
I'm going to option B, madam.
10 years.
100 years. Huh?
100 years.
Okay.
Sorry. Almas, how much is it?
Almas,
Almas,
what is your answer?
1000 A.
okay. Then Craft Hospital,
Option D, ma'am.
MES,
Ma'am, option A.
Maulana,
Option C.
okay. Esther,
Option C.
ARMC,
Ma'am, option A, 1000 years. 1000.
okay.
So the correct answer is 1000 years.
So -5 for Esther and Maulana.
The next question, which of the following is least polluting fuel for vehicles? I think everybody must answer this question.
Don't show the answer. ARMC, please keep. Once I get 30 seconds over, then only you show. You may be showing answer to other team. Please don't show the answer. Okay, 30 seconds over. Esther name.
C.
Option C.
Okay. Almas,
Option C, madam. Option C, madam.
Craft,
Option C, ma'am.
MES,
Option C.
MES,
Option C, madam.
Maulana,
Option C, CNG.
ARMC.
Option C, CNG.
Okay.
So congratulations, all of you answered correctly. So the correct option is CNG. Okay.
Last question.
So last question of the first round.
Your time start now.
What is the percent of oxygen in our environment? 12%, 21%, 32%, 36%.
Okay, time over. ARMC.
ARMC.
Option B, 21%.
Okay, Esther.
Option B, 21%.
B, 21%.
Almas.
It's option D, madam.
Option
D, madam.
Option D.
36. Craft.
Option B, ma'am.
Option D.
Okay. MES.
Ma'am, option B, 21%.
And Maulana.
Option B, madam, 21%.
Okay. So Almas and Craft are getting minus.
Negative
5.
marking because right answer is 21%.
എന്താ എന്നെ കാണാത്ത വെച്ചിട്ടാ? ഇങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി. പത്ത് 20 30 40 50 60 70.
Okay, so this is the first round score. ARMC 85, Aster means 55, Almas 70, Craft Hospital 70, MES 85, Maulana 85. So top scorers are ARMC, MES and Maulana. Then after that, second leading scorer are Almas and Craft. Then
so Maulana also 70. Maulana is 70. Sorry, Maulana is 70. So ARMC and MES.
Yes, are the leading. Both are leading and followed by Maulana and Almas Craft. All three are second scorer with 70. And Aster means third, that is 55. Okay. So according to our rule, actually, it's very sorry to say, Aster means we have to hold you means after this round, because as we have decided earlier that first round only 5 teams will be going to the second and third. So 2 rounds anyway. EMS they have not participated. So Aster means is the least scorer of this first round. So you are not qualifying for the next 2 rounds. So you don't have to answer. You can watch all the quiz without answering any questions. So rest all can proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can we leave the page then?
Yeah. No, you can visualize, no issue. So second round, all of you ready?
Yes, sir.
So this question is little bit tricky, but whoever will answer, we will give 20 marks. And there is no negative marking for this. Okay. But You don't have to answer. You have to just raise your hand. Raise your hand means there will be, you can see the icons where the participant was written. You just click there. Once you click there, there is a option called raise hand. You don't have to raise hand because we can't see you together. So what you can do, there is an option called raise hand. Are you able to see all?
Yes, sir.
Just click on the participants and you just see extreme right. There is a option called raise hand. Okay. So if you want to answer the question, you have to click that one, so that accordingly we will know who's the person has put the button first. So that person will be preference will be given to that person, so they have to answer the question.
How to beep button? Sir? Which side that button?
Extremely right, you can see.
Right?
You just see that participants. One option is there down. Right. Anyway, you can you just raise your hand. We will anyway we are watching you. Okay.
Beep.
So here is the first question of the second round. Identify the person and how is this person better known as?
ARMC has raised the hand.
Okay, ARMC, please answer.
It is Gaylord Nelson, known as the father of Earth Day.
Yeah, it is the right answer. It's the Gaylord Nelson is the better father of, means is the best known for father of the Earth Day. Okay.
They are getting 20 marks.
So ARMC Aegis is getting 20 marks. Next question. Identify the person. He is an Indian. He is an Indian. Please answer. And which award he won in?
Even if you don't know
2020.
what you are identifying, you will get 10 marks. Just identify the person.
It is
Who knows the answer? Please raise your hand.
MES, any attempt?
S.
Craft Hospital.
It is, sir, it is Pavan Subde.
Who is answering? Yeah, tell.
Yeah, tell me.
Who is answering? Yeah, please answer.
Sir,
Is it
ma'am,
Amartya Sen?
Pavan Subde.
Okay, sorry. Almas is answering. Yeah, Almas, tell.
Yeah.
Is it Amartya Sen?
Sorry?
No.
Amartya
Sorry.
Sen?
Sorry. Aegis.
It is Pavan Subde, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, excellent.
Which award he won? Any? Please
Can we
answer.
answer? Already Karnal.
Any? Do you know which award he won?
He won the Nobel Prize for Environmentalists in 2020.
Okay, excellent. So you are getting 20 more. Others, please try. So this is the next question. Identify the person and what is he known for?
He is also Indian.
He is also an Indian.
Anyone wants to try? There is no negative mark.
MES.
No.
Craft. Anybody else wants to try? Annie?
No, sir, I don't know.
Renuka?
No, sir.
Amin? Okay, let me tell the answer. He is Sundarlal Bahuguna. He is very famous. I thought you will answer this question. And he is the person who first started Chipko movement. Okay. I think almost all of us has read in the book.
Yes.
Okay, we'll go to the next question. Identify the person. She is a very famous lady in Karnataka, and she got a president award also.
In 2019, the same book you said.
And she has already crossed the century also. Now she is, I'm giving so much of clue to you. Now she is leading her second life. Already 100 generation over.
Anyone wants to try?
Is that Gora Devi, sir?
No. Anybody else?
No, sir.
P.A. Padmadharan, sir.
Sorry? Yeah,
P.A. Padmadharan.
No. Anybody else? Please.
Sir. Sir, is it Salu Marada Timmak?
Yes. You are,
yeah. Who is answering? MES. Who is answering?
Sir, is it Salu Marada Timmakka?
MES.
Yeah, you are right.
Right.
Who is answering?
MES.
Sir, MES.
Okay. Yeah. So you
Can
tell.
you tell the contribution? Can you tell the contribution?
So she got Padma Shri.
For what?
For what?
Environmental.
So anyway, 10 marks we will give for this answer.
Okay.
So
Thank
she
you.
is Salu Marada Timmakka. She is a very well-known lady in Karnataka. She has planted so many trees in her lifetime, for which she got Padma Shri Award in 2019.
Okay.
So we'll go to next question. Identify the person.
And what is her nickname?
You can see what she is holding. And she has some nickname also. That's why you have kept the second question. How is the person better name as? Anybody else? There is a film called, very famous film. I think everybody might have
seen.
Yes, The Wonder Car. So some initial I am leaving. That's The Wonder Car.
We are giving clue.
Yes.
Yeah, who is
Tarzan.
answering? Who is answering?
MES.
Yeah. Tell.
Tarzan.
Tarzan. Yeah. Second question. She's known as a Tarzan.
Lady Tarzan.
Yeah.
But what is
Lady
her real name?
Don't know.
You will answer first also her real name, then you will get 20 marks.
And she is basically from Jharkhand. So that area, this kind of communities is more.
Tribal.
Don't know, sir. Don't know.
The answer.
She is Jamuna Tudu. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So C is Jamuna Tudu. C is Indian Environmental Activities. And C and 5 other women prevented illegal felling of trees near her village, and this latter expanded into a organization. So one way you can tell that C is one of the security guard of all the timber mafias. So we'll go to next question. Identify the person and what is he famous for?
Sir, great from US.
Yes, yes. Who is answering?
Almas.
Yeah. Excellent, excellent. Please, please, please come on. Please come on. Yeah.
Greater from US.
Greta Thunberg.
No, let us.
Now, please, sorry, answer Almas. Almas is
Greta
answer.
Thunberg.
Almas to answer.
Yeah, you tell.
Greater 19-year-old woman who raised her voice on global warming last year.
Yeah, excellent.
Excellent.
Excellent. Yes. So she is Greta Tintin. She is internationally known for challenging the change in the global warming. So identify the person.
She is Indian.
She is a small girl, young girl from India. Basically, she is from Northeast. I have given a lot of clue to you.
She was very famous on Facebook. I think 6 months back or somewhat. She was very famous on Facebook.
Yeah.
The photo is saying that she was requesting Modi ji. Anybody wants to try? Almas, you are raising your hand. You want to try?
Yeah, tell.
Excuse me, Lysipriya.
Amin, Almas, yeah, tell what is her name?
She's Lysipriya from Northeast.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, tell which state does she belong?
Assam, I think.
No, not Assam.
No, you can give try.
Orissa.
Any other state left? Northeast.
Northeast.
Odisha.
ECPI is correct. So anyways, you are getting 10, but you try. What is her contribution? Leave the state. Tell contribution. Please, where you are seeing Almas.
I mean, you are not allowed that side. Yeah.
I just only know her name. I don't
Okay,
think
so you are
the
getting
remaining
10
things.
marks. Anybody wants to try? Second question. Which state does she belong and what is her contribution?
Paschim Bengal.
Paschim Bengal, no.
Washington. Orissa.
Nagaland.
I do know.
Okay. Okay, we are showing the answer.
Anyway, she is Lysipriya Kangujam. And she is basically from Manipur. Okay. So she was campaigning for the climate change in 2018. And recently she was passed on the new laws for like pollution levels to make climate change and literacy mandatory in schools. Okay. Anyway, very good. I am very happy that you people are answering this kind of questions. Really, it's a big clap for everybody. So next question, identify the person and what is he known for?
He is a scientist. He is not this activist or anything. He is scientist.
Robert Brown.
No.
Answer.
Sorry?
Aster ma'am's answer.
Yeah, tell the answer.
Yeah, Aster means
No, I just asked because I just asked because my partner told that since we scored less in first round, we are not allowed. So that is why I asked.
Okay.
Is there any clue?
Anybody else? Please.
Okay, please show the answer.
So this is the answer.
Svante Arrhenius was a Swedish scientist that was the first claim in 1896 that fossil fuel combustion may eventually result in enhanced global warming. That what is we will call a greenhouse effect. No? He has claimed this thing first time.
So two more questions. Identify the person.
God's own country.
Yes, Sugata Kumari, madam. Kerala. She is in Kerala. Kerala. Sugata Kumari, madam, which is in Kerala. She is known as Kavitri, and she is an environmental.
Okay. Whether she is alive?
No. This year she passed away.
Exactly. That's the correct.
Yes. We also raised.
Maulana getting 20 marks.
Okay, thank you, madam.
So she is Sugata Kumari. She just recently expired.
Yes.
Okay, he is also from Kerala.
So identify the person. What is his contribution? He is also from Kerala.
From where he is belong, there only the picture is there.
And also you can see that behind that.
Is he's in Wayanad?
No.
What's the name?
Okay.
No. Identify the person first and then contribution.
Anybody else?
Sir, it's regarding the mangroves.
That is correct. Okay, you
Second
can.
answer is okay. Now tell first.
But you have to tell the person. Then only we will give the mark, because the mangrove, everybody knows that it is behind the photo. It is visible to everybody.
Is he Kadamanita Ramachandran?
Yeah.
Yes. Excellent. So Almas is getting 20 marks. So he is Callan Pokodan. He has planted so many mangrove seedlings along the river
Because of that only that mangrove forest is there. Tourist place.
Over.
Over.
So this is the end of second round. So we will announce the score. So here is the score at the end of second round. ARMC leading the rounds with 125 marks. Second, Almas Hospital, 110 points. Followed by MES, 105. Then fourth position, Maulana. Maulana, you can do better in the next round. Come on.
Okay.
So your score is 90.
Okay, thank you.
Then Craft is the last team who scored 70. So sorry, Craft, we are not going to take you further. So you will be out from this contest. So next to the third round, only 4 teams is participating. So there will be a contest between ARMC, Almas, MES, and Maulana. So these 4 we will answer the question for the third round. Okay. Rest of all, please invite and watch the quiz.
And switch off your video.
So round 3. So round 3 we will ask turn-wise. You don't have to answer first. When we are asking the question to RMC Aegis, we will give the 30 seconds to them. If they are not able to answer, that question will be passed to next team. So they have to answer. If they are answering like that, as long as the answer has not been answered, so it will be passing on to other team. Okay. So if you are telling the right answer, you will get 10 marks. If you are telling the negative means wrong answer, then you will get -5.
If you are saying pass, then there is no negative mark and you are not getting.
If you are not able to answer, you can tell pass. So there will be no negative mark. Okay. Is that clear to you all?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
How is the order?
Order
So
is
what is the order in which?
As per your mark,
question?
order
As per your order is as per your marks. So ARMC followed by Almas, then MES, then Maulana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it is only we will give 15 seconds, not 30 seconds. Okay. It's just like a rapid fire, we have to go. How many questions? 20. So there will be 20 questions in this round. Okay.
First is ARMC. If you are not knowing the answer, after 15 seconds, you can say pass. Okay. ARMC, unmute yourself.
Okay,
ma'am. Okay. This is the first question.
Your time start now.
Option A, mitigation.
Okay.
Right.
Now next is Almas.
Next
Option
Almas.
Almas.
Option A.
Yeah, it is correct only. So next Almas, anyway, they have answered the question correctly. RMC it is the mitigation. So
Yes.
second question now it is for Almas Hospital.
Your time starts now.
Sir, I'm going with option C.
Option
C.
C. Yeah, correct answer.
So correct answer. So 10 marks to Almas Hospital. Next is MES.
MES.
So next question for MES.
Your time starts now.
I'm option A.
Okay, correct.
So 10 mark to MES. Now Maulana, get ready.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, option B.
So correct answer. So all of you got 10 marks each. The next question for ARMC.
Sir, option B may result in positive feedback that amplifies global warming.
Correct.
Correct answer. Next, Almas. So next question, Almas.
Almas.
Almas, you are
Yes,
not
sir.
on the screen.
Almas, you are not on the screen. Yeah,
Yes.
get the answer. Only 5 seconds left.
I'm going with sulfur.
Sorry?
Sulfur
Wrong
option.
answer.
Wrong
Minus
answer,
5.
minus 5.
MES, you can try. Your time starts now.
D, acetylene.
D, acetylene.
Yeah, correct
Correct
answer.
answer. So 10 marks to MES.
MES. And next question for
MES.
MES.
So next question for MES.
All of the above.
Option D.
Option D, all of the above.
Wrong answer for
Wrong
MES.
answer.
Minus 5. Maulana, you are getting chance.
Okay, madam, I will try. Energy sources nuclear power plant.
Yeah, you are getting 10 marks. And next question is for you.
Okay.
So Maulana has given the right answer. It is option C. It is nuclear power plant. So you are getting 10 marks extra. So now the next question is for you, Maulana. Please get ready.
Okay. Okay, sir.
5 seconds left.
5
Sir,
seconds.
it's option D, all of the above.
Correct answer.
Correct answer. Okay.
Next is for ARMC.
Next question for ARMC.
Ma'am, it's option C, loss of forest-based employment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
excellent. So 10 marks for ARMC Aegis.
Next is Almas.
Next, Almas, please. This is the question. Fill in the blank.
Geoengineering.
Don't answer, Maulana.
I'm going for with option B.
Option B.
Geoengineering.
Geoengineer.
Yeah, correct answer.
Correct answer. So next for
MES.
So next question for MES. Only 4 seconds.
3 seconds left.
C search.
Time over.
C search. D C search.
Yeah, okay.
So it's the right answer, C search. Okay. So next question for ARMC.
No, Maulana.
Maulana, sorry, Maulana.
That's from forest.
Wrong answer. It goes to ARMC.
Ma'am, option B, the ocean.
Option B.
Yeah, correct
Correct
answer.
answer.
Next question
So
is for
10 marks to
ARMC.
ARMC Aegis.
And next question also for ARMC.
Cheta.
Ma'am, it's option B, tropical rainforest.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct answer.
Next question for Almas.
Going with option C, madam.
Option
A.
C.
-5.
C.
-5. Anybody wants to take next?
No, MES.
MES, please answer. MES, please.
If you don't want to answer, pass it.
Option A.
-5.
-5.
Maulana.
Option C.
Yeah, correct answer.
Thank you,
I
sir.
said option C, not B.
Sorry?
Madam, I said option
Correct
C,
answer
not
is
B.
answer C.
Correct is C. Maulana has answered correctly.
Yeah, me
Not
too
A,
also
not
said
B.
C.
Who said C?
MES.
Yeah, no, I mean, almost.
Who said C?
I said C. It's only one tree for four people. That I know.
Sure.
I don't know what he said.
No, I think you have answered. You have not answered correctly.
Actually, I said C, but you guys here B. That's not problem. Okay, accept. No problem.
Next is for MES.
How much of Earth's land is covered by forest? Next question for whom?
MES.
MES. So MES.
MES 2 seconds left.
Option A.
Over. Time over. Now
Option A.
Now you cannot
Is
answer.
it-
Time over.
Time over.
Maulana. Maulana.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, your time starts now. You have to answer within 15 seconds, or you
Okay,
can say
please.
fast.
Option C.
Option C, no, it is wrong.
Wrong. So -5. Now ARMC.
Option A, 31%.
Yes, yes, it is correct answer. So 10 mark to RMC Aegis.
And next question is for Maulana.
Okay.
Maulana, this is your question.
Okay.
Three seconds left, 2 seconds left, 1 second, time over.
B.
Time over.
Time over. Next.
ARMC. Next is ARMC.
Ma'am, it's option C, natural gas, ma'am.
Okay, correct.
Correct answer.
And next question is also for ARMC.
Ma'am, it's option
A, 90-70.
Yeah, correct.
Correct answer. Almas, next question.
Time starts now.
This option B, USA.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, correct answer. 10 marks. So 2 more questions. Next for MES.
Ma'am, option D, the giving tree.
Wrong answer. Maulana, your time starts now.
Silent Spring. B.
Sorry?
Option B.
Yeah, correct answer.
Correct answer.
So 10 marks.
Okay, thanks.
So last question for Maulana.
Okay, sir.
I think you should answer this one.
Okay. So rolled out the first.
Otherwise, we will take you out from Kerala.
Which of the
Last 2 seconds. Last 1 second. Time over.
B.
Time over. Anyways, we cannot minus, but answer is wrong for you. Now ARMC.
Ma'am, we are passing.
Passing. Okay, Amin, tell.
Almas.
I'm going with option C because both are
Yeah,
same.
yeah, correct
Correct answer.
So that's the end of all 3 rounds. So we will finalize the mark. Sir, are you there? KM sir. So thank you all. You people have played very well. Very well. I'm very happy for you. That I thought like second round will go back end, but you people have answered very nicely. So big round of applause for everybody. You people have put your lot of effort to answer each and every question. Hello? Sir, over sir. Okay. So sir will announce the result, sir. We will just send you in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah. Already sent?
No, going to send. That's sent.
We have 4 teams who have come to the final round, last lap of the final round, and MES Medical College have scored 115, 115, and Maulana Hospital, Perindalmana, 120, and Hospital, Kottakkal, 140, 140, and RMC Perindalmana, 195. So the first prize goes to RMC Aegis Hospital. Second prize goes to Almas Hospital, Kottakkal. Congratulations, all the winners. Keep it up. We'll have a big round of physical quiz, mega quiz program once after the corona goes, and that will have full GK based. Now we really got encouraged with the way of participation and the involvement by all the institutions. Congratulations to all the winners, and big congrats to the quiz master and the assistant quiz master.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you all.
Thank you all.
Participants. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
And the prize will come by courier once after the lockdown withdraws.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.